Hey, I'm Felix, and welcome to Millennial Dad Explains. Every week I break down one thing your kid needs to learn, give you the words to explain it, and a game you can play together tonight. Let's figure this out. Your kid watched you tap your card at the grocery store. The receipt printed, you grabbed the bags. And on the way out, the question dropped, and you weren't ready. Daddy, where does money come from? If you said work, your kid heard, it just appears, same answer, different brain. Here's what to say instead. 3 tools, less than a minute each, plus 1 weekend ritual that ends the cycle. No boring lecture about jobs. Promise. Here's the trap. To your kid, you tap a card and stuff appears. You leave the house, you come back with bags. The middle, the actual work, is invisible, which means to them, it doesn't exist. In their world, money has 3 sources: the card, the ATM, and your phone. That's it. That's the whole system. Notice what's missing. Work, effort, skill. None of those appear in their version. So when they ask, they're not being cute. They literally don't see the loop. Until age 6 or 7, kids think money lives inside the card or comes out of a wall. That's not them being slow. That's just how brains work at this age. The wiring's not there yet. If your kid doesn't see the chain, work, money, things, every other lesson sounds arbitrary. Saving feels random, sharing feels unfair, and the toy aisle becomes a battle until you fix this one thing. Money has to be earned before it can be spent, before it can be saved, before it can mean anything at all. Here are 3 tools. Each takes less than a minute. Use them in order. They build on each other. Tool 1, the job framing. Don't say I work. Useless. Say this instead. Someone needs help. I'm the one who can help them. They give us money so I come back tomorrow. Work is this. Daddy at a laptop, solving someone's problem. And this. Daddy in a meeting with people who need to make a decision. And this. Daddy helping someone do their job better. Every time money. When they see those 3 things instead of just gone, the chain clicks. Work happens. Help gets given. Money comes back. The loop becomes visible. Tool 2, the trade demo. Words aren't enough. Their brain needs to feel the exchange, even once. So here's what you do today with whatever's in the kitchen. Pick a tiny task. Put your shoes by the door. That's it. When they finish, you give them 1 sticker, or 1 coin, or 1 small treat. Tangible. The point isn't the reward, it's the trade. Their face will change. You'll see it. The thing they did just connected to the thing they got. The loop closed for them. First time. Tool 3, the magic phrase. 5 words. Memorize them. Use them when something new shows up in your kid's hands. Grandma gave them a candy. What did you do to earn that? Friend gave them a sticker. Same question. Use it when the moment feels right. Not every time, but enough that they start connecting the dots themselves. This isn't discipline. It's not even teaching about money. You're training their brain to look for cause. Every input has a source. That's the foundation of everything that comes later. Together time to job day. This weekend, pick 5 small tasks your kid can do alone, like sort socks or water a plant. Set the table without help. Put toys in the bin. Help feed the pet. Then write them all on a card. Each completed task earns 1 coin, a penny, a sticker, a button, doesn't matter what. What matters is the count. 5 tasks, 5 coins. That's the morning. Then set up the trade. 3 coins buys extra story time. 4 buys picking dinner. 5 buys choosing the movie. They decide what to trade. They decide what to save. 1 Saturday of this. That's it. And your kid understands something most adults never put into words. Effort makes value. Value buys things. The whole engine in 1 morning. I made the job day pack so you don't have to design it. 5 task cards, coin sheet, reward cards, parent guide. Link in the description, free. Try it this Saturday. Tell me in the comments how it went. Next week, what to do when your kid earns their first coin and immediately wants to spend it all. Now you've got the play. Try it tonight and tell me how it went in the comments. If this helped, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. I'm Felix. Let's keep figuring this out.